Hey y'all, so I was totally not planning to do a grocery haul this week, but here we are. First, I stopped into Publix. I had to drop my daughter off at Taekwondo, and Publix is right next door, so I just ran in just to see if they had any good buy one get one free deals, because otherwise Publix is just outrageously priced in my opinion, but they do have good buy one get one free deals. So I did pick up some Frosted Cheerios since they were buy one get one free. And I also picked up some Daisy Sour Cream. Only picked up one of those just because it's not my favorite brand, but we were out and the price was good. And then they also had Chobani Zero Sugars for $1 a container. And I have never tried the lemon meringue or the Boston cream pie. I've never seen those two flavors before. So I picked those up because they also had a $1 coupon if you bought 3 or more. So they only ended up being like 75 cents a piece. And then they also had the high key cookies clearanced out to $2 a bag, which is a great price for this brand. But they only had one of the chocolate chip left. So otherwise I would have picked up more. And so I also got a bag of the vanilla wafers. I've been making a lot of ice cream, so I'm hoping to add the vanilla wafers to some banana pudding ice cream and the chocolate chip cookies to some chocolate ice cream. Thought that would be really yummy. So that is everything I picked up at Publix, and I think the total was just around $15. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of this put away and then show you what I picked up at Lidl. I actually had planned to go to Aldi, but my daughter wanted some croissants, so we decided to go to Lidl instead. So let me show you what I picked up there. Alright, so at Lidl I did pick up a loaf of honey wheat bread and then an 18-pack of eggs. We were out of tortillas, so I went ahead and picked those up. It's always nice to have those on hand. Got some heavy cream, some milk, and some Minute Maid orange juice. I've been out of dark brown sugar, and cookies are just not the same with light brown, so I picked up 2 bags of this. And I am a former pastry chef, so I used to bring home mini eclairs and croissants, so my daughter wanted me to pick these up. They were only $1.99 in the freezer section. Then I got some spaghetti sauce, a couple things of butter since we're out, and my husband's been making cordon bleus for lunch, so I picked him up one of those for lunch this week. Got just 1 bag of salad mix, as I still have quite a bit of spinach in the fridge, so I'll just mix the two together for salads this week. Picked up 2 containers of strawberries and a pack of mini cucumbers. I really like the mini cucumbers at Lidl. They stay fresher longer than Aldi. Got a big thing of grape tomatoes and then 2 blocks. Actually, I got 3, but I must have put one in the fridge already. So I got 2 blocks of cheddar cheese since they were 3 for $5. And then we got 6 things of yogurt. Got a couple cans of mixed vegetables and green beans. And then I saw this Asian style veggie mix, and I thought I'd cook some cheap ramen noodles up to add to it for a quick and inexpensive meal this week. And then I saw this heart-shaped pizza. They were only $2.50, and so I thought I'd add that to the other heart-themed foods that I'm making for Valentine's Day. The chocolate chip cookies were buy one get one free. So got 2 of those. We've never tried them there before. And then I picked up several croissants to make almond croissants this week for dessert. Then we got some chicken strips and popcorn chicken because my daughter wanted that for dinner, along with some shells and cheese. And the chicken were on sale for $4.99 a pack. And then I picked up this large pack of bacon for $5. Got some ground beef and also some shaved steak because I was going to make some cheesesteak quesadillas this week, and it was only $3.99 a pound. And that is everything we picked up at Lidl, and the total came in just around $105. So I hope everyone has a great week ahead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.